Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of adding items to the cart in Target app. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Target. The app might take some time to load. Once it has been loaded, you can search for the item by typing the name of the items in the search bar. Otherwise, you can scroll down and search for the item of your choice. For instance, if you want to add Apple AirPods to the cart, then you need to tap on the product. After that, scroll down and then tap on Add to Cart. Now, you'll be provided with two options. You can pick it up inside the stores, or Target will bring it out to your car. Select any one of these two options, and after that, tap on Add to Cart. And that's it. Your item has been added to the cart. Now, to check the item, all you have to do is tap on the cart icon, and then you'll be able to see the product that you have just selected. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.